What happened to you? Why are you riding your bicycle like this? Who given you the license? I want to scold them. Hey, listen and go, you idiot.
What, man? You said it is very urgent and called me here. What is the matter? Hello? What, bro? What happened? Why you are so upset?
I was beaten up.
Oh, slapped. What? Slapped? One girl slapped you? You are not a kid anymore. Okay, you became a man now. If she slapped you means it is not an insult for you. It is an insult for all men. She insulted boys. How can I tolerate this? My God, I am not going to leave this matter. Give me 10,000. I want to take revenge. Give me 10,000. Come on. Give me 10,000.
Bro, leave it.
You cannot stop me, okay? Give me 10,000. I want to take revenge. Give me 10,000.
It's my personal. Please leave it.
Okay. Personal. Okay, personal. You are personal.
Where can I find the beautiful girls?
You cannot do anything, bro. If someone feels sad means they used to drink. But you asking me about that girl. Okay, I will tell you about that. If you need soft girls, visit France. If you need horse means go to Rome. If you need soft and sweet girls means go to London. Now you got my point.
What are you talking? I need a girl to love.
True love, bro. I couldn't understand the true love and all. Find a fine girl and call her, book her and enjoy. Matter finish. That's all. Hey, where are you going?
Come with me, I'll tell.
You yourself don't know where are you going and also asking me to follow you. Okay, let's go. Who is staying here?
Maybe not. Someone will come.
I couldn't get you.
There is a temple over there. And a market here. Big, and there is a college. And it's a colony.
Now I got it.
This is the only way to trespass for all those people.
You are right, my boy. Look there. Both butter and jam is coming together. You don't like butter?
I don't like her.
Or jam?
Can't you get me?
Look there. Hot, spicy girl is coming.
I need a girl to love, man.
What is this, man? Why you need only one girl?
I need a girl like this.
Don't overestimate her by seeing her external appearance. You know one proverb, all the glitters are not gold. If you really need her means, make my word, your life will be in hell.
Nothing will happen.
I'm telling with my experience, she's not right girl for you.
She will be the right path to me. Within a minute, I will prove that you are wrong.
Do you want me to stay here?
You please sit there and watch the game.
Bloody lousy idiot.
Hi, I'm Chandu. Please, you don't get panic. I really like you.
Everyone is watching. It won't be nice if we stand here and talk. That's my house. Nobody is there at home now. If you come home, then we can talk peacefully. Come.
Hi, Madhu. In an half an hour time, our target will be achieved.
Just half an hour?
Yeah, she invited me.
Called you at his home?
Yes, there is no one in her house. She's alone there. But still, she invited me. And I'm also ready.
Is she modern?
These generation girls are too fast. Don't you know that?
Be careful. Her brother is a karate champion.
If he is karate champion, then I am kung fu champion. You are going to be shocked within few minutes. Don't cut the call. Stay online.
Okay.
Please come.
No one is there?
Mm-hmm. Nobody at home. Please come, no? Come fast. Sit down, please. Paying by cash or card?
What do you mean by cash or card?
Huh?
If you're going to pay me for this, give me 10,000.
Oh my god.
Even if you don't have cash, it's okay with me. Debit card is enough. I have a swiping machine. If you come once, you'll come again and again.
Oh my god, it's very funny.
Hey, it's very funny. If you didn't listen to my words, you have to face problems like this. I told you about the proverb, all the glitters are not gold. Now you understand? Now tell me, how much you paid her? A cash or card? Already I am getting mood. Let me know. After that, what happened?
I don't like this
Then
nonsense.
why did you come behind me?
For the purpose of
For
love.
love? How much do you have with you? I need at least 10 crores for my maintenance. Do you have? We'll talk about love and other things later. First see for 10,000 and commit yourself.
Can't you get me? I don't like this.
Even I don't like it, but I need money. Don't waste time arguing. My time is very precious. If you come inside once, you can't leave without paying. Give me money.
What? You paid her without having any fun? What a man you are. You had a plum cake in your hand. You have to eat it. You left her. Why? Why you didn't remember me? Unnecessarily 10,000 loss.
No, money is not the problem. Now the issue is Madhu.
Now who is this new girl?
Madhu. Madhulata.
Hey,
Madhu.
stop. Half here, half there. Why are you confusing me like this? Tell me straightly. Did you get any girl? Are you in love with her? In between this, who is that Madhu?
Hey, what do you think about yourself by seeing them?
I didn't understand, bro.
You know, they are all seniors. When you speak to them, you should give respect to them. Whatever they say, you should shut your mouth and listen. Whatever they say, you should do that. That's it.
Understood, bro.
Don't laugh. Shut your mouth.
Oh,
Why did you insert your shirt?
that.
Let it be like that. Open your zip. Open, I say. Shut your mouth. Daily insert your shirt and open the zip like this. Did you understand what I say? Hey man, how's that yellow top? She's beautiful, right? Let's call her.
Come on, man. It's too much. Just leave it, no?
Hey, you shut your mouth, I say. Come here. What's your name?
Madhulata.
Why are you wearing sari?
She wants to attract the seniors by exposing, yeah.
You know who I am?
I just don't care, We are all seniors. Learn to give respect. Tomorrow onwards, no sari. You should wear salwar suit, okay?
Rishi, it's my matter. She's mine. Madhu is mine.
What?
You won't get any problem from now on. Go. Okay, it's time now. We'll go to class.
Excuse me, sir.
Clear this cup away. Govind,
Sir,
tell me some news.
what type of news do you want, sir? From newspapers, from TV, or from Facebook?
Are there so many different news? Tell me something interesting.
Newspaper news, sir. Wife hated her husband for not sharing beer, sir.
He didn't do anything wrong. He was drinking alone. So this is bound to happen.
Colony news, sir. Police inspector made her daughter as an engineer, but she has ran away with a mechanic.
Engineer ran away with engineer.
Home news, sir. For this Diwali, I didn't present 1,000 rupees. Sorry for my wife. She will give me a divorce.
When people around her are wearing new saris, will she be able to wear the old sari and look good?
If, sir, you given me 1,000 rupees, so...
You have fooled me again. Take it.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Good morning, boys and girls. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
A small test for you all. Who am I? And who are you all? Very good. And who is this? Tell me, who is this?
Madhulata.
But who is this Madhulata?
Minister's daughter.
No,
Your relative?
no.
I think she's your girlfriend.
My wife said this, I understood. But why did you say this?
Sir, you're confusing all of us all the time.
You are all grown-up asses and you call yourself child. And tell me, when did I make you cry?
You're always like this, sir. You always keep asking difficult questions to us. Please ask easy questions.
Oh, you so much feel for it. Okay, I won't disturb you anymore. You see, Madhulata,
New student. She is here to complain against those people who ragged her.
you misunderstood her as a student. Not only you, I also took her for a student. But Madhulata is not a student. Lecturer of maths. Don't focus yourself on her. Concentrate on what she is teaching. Okay, Madhulata, now
Okay,
you can
sir.
start the
Thank you,
class.
sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Okay, everybody. Let's start our max class. tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Thank you. Came to say sorry? Without knowing of me, you said everything. I can understand. It's alright.
Sorry, I didn't come here to say sorry.
Then what?
I like you. You belong to me, and it will remain ever. I came here to say that only.
What? Are you mad?
Yes, after seeing you.
Look, mister.
Chandu,
Chandu, I am your lecturer and you are my student.
I liked you before that I know you are a lecturer.
Just stop it. If you again behave me like this, definitely I will inform to the principal.
You do whatever you want because you are my love.
Wait and watch. I'll show you.
My dear young lecturer, come in.
Sir, that...
I can understand. Are the students troubling you very much?
Sir, it's not like
Ha,
that.
you don't have to tell me anything. I've understood everything. You want to resign the job, right? Lecturer's job is not a usual job. Very difficult. You should be experienced.
I know.
As soon as you finished PG, you just joined the college. But your PG attitude will not go well with the students. Since you've got to forgive them, tolerance, we should treat them as kids. See, you also look like a kid. Why did you decide in an hour? You should have at least waited for 1 day.
Please listen to me, sir.
Come tomorrow.
Chandu, reading, huh?
Hey Govind,
Yes.
I am tired of studying all these things.
Can I get you a coffee?
It's alright. Tell me some news.
Which news do you want? Police news, political news, doctor news, lawyer news?
Tell me interesting news.
Interesting news means police news. Inspector parked his vehicle and drank coconut water.
Because it's summer, it's usual.
But someone stole his bike.
Very good. Inspector should have disturbed him. That's why he took revenge.
Yeah, you are right. Next doctor news. Just 1 month before, a doctor became MD for the National Ayurvedic Concern, but he was in swine
Very
flu.
bad. If Dean of Medical Council has flu means, how people believe them?
What to do?
Leave all these things. Tell me some special news.
Special news, sensational news, that's college news about you. Yeah, it's true. A student loves a teacher. Just 2 persons talked about this matter, yeah.
It's a very bad thing. Love is such a thing, it doesn't see student or teacher. Whether they have money or not. Love doesn't see anything. It is love. It's not a business. My love is the talk of the college. Bullshit. Get lost.
Okay, can I get you a coffee?
You drink it yourself.
Oh, he is very angry.
What kind of college is this, brother? Students or principals behaving same. They're not listening to anyone. I just fed up with 1 day. I'm talking to you. Are you listening me? I can understand about the senior students, but the principal is also same. Just laughing like a mad. Why are you laughing? Are you kidding me or what?
Since you have come from college, you've been blabbering. Seems the college had its effects on you.
Brother, I don't want to go to that college. That boy's behavior is really irritating me. I'm really scared of him.
Take this. Seems the principal is right. How can you take a decision in 1 day? First you cool down, then think about it.
No way. I did not have this much tension in my college also. Do I look like a fresher? Just they want to irritate me. Anyways, whatever you want to speak. I don't want this job.
You do one thing.
What?
Have this food. Madhu, have I ever told no to your decisions? Naughty. Good girl.
Madhu, Madhu, I'm calling you only. Madhu.
Why are you calling me like this? Call me madam.
Sorry, Madhu. I can't call you madam.
Huh?
I can't see you as teacher because when I saw you at first time, I fell in love with you, Madhu. You are in my heart.
What's your problem?
I don't have any problem. I think you have some problem.
You are a student. Behave like a student. First, you learn how to behave with a lecturer. Please behave yourself. Better you got it?
Oh, okay. In college, you are a lecturer and I'm a student. But out of the college, wherever we meet, then there is no problem, right? Meet you in the park at the
Go
evening.
to hell.
8 o'clock, Green Park. I know that you will definitely come. I will be waiting, Madhu. I know, Madhu, that you will definitely come.
Don't think too much. I'm not like that. Chandu, I want to talk to you.
Okay, then we will sit and talk.
No. You're disturbing me a lot. I'm really fed up to come to the college. Please stop following me. You want me to do something for that?
Just one kiss.
If I give you a kiss, will you leave me forever? Okay.
Why no one is coming out of the class? Huh? Hey, tell me, bro. Come here. What did I tell you last time? Open your zip. Next time onwards, if you come with a closed zip, I will remove the whole pant. You understand? Get lost.
Madhu, why didn't you come? I was waiting there throughout the night. It's fine that you didn't come yesterday, or else impression would have gone wrong. But now, my Madhu is good girl. Yes, Madhu, my heart is flying high on the sky. And whenever I see you... Huh?
There is no reason to leave you just like that.
Hey, Madhu! Madhu, my darling! I'm coming. I'm coming, my dear. Madhu, 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 I'm coming. I'm coming, Madhu, 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 Madhu. I'm coming, my darling. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, it's wrong way. I'll come on the right way. Please wait, Madhu, darling. I'm coming. Madhu, Madhu. Madhu, I'm coming, darling. Madhu, I don't know how to express my feeling to you. In order to forget my sorrow, I drank. Open the door, Madhu. Open the door. How the hell this door come in between us? Hey, Madhu.
Shit.
I'm coming like a dog behind you.
Are you drunk? Shut up and get lost from here.
I didn't come here to go from here. I want to live with you, Madhu. Why can't you understand? Even I can't understand your psychology, Madhu. You are so beautiful outside, but from your heart you are too bad. I know that I am not your husband, but you won't get a good person like me even in future. Why don't you understand me?
Brother!
Hey, what can your bro do?
I said get out from here.
No, I am not leaving from here. You call your bro to come here. I am brave enough to face anyone. Hey, why can't you understand, Madhu? I am saying I am loving you. Madhu.
Leave me.
Hey.
Oh God.
What happened? Have you not gone to sleep yet?
I'm not sleepy, brother.
What happened?
I'm going to college, but I am not feeling to go there. Every day, any problems I'm facing there.
Who?
Or else, brother, my student Chandu. When I enter to the college, each and every moment of mine is capturing. In classroom, garden, canteen, everywhere. Anytime he's looking at my face, it's just irritating me a lot. I don't know how to solve this problem. Please help me, brother.
Why don't you complain to the principal?
He is not listening to anyone. This issue is becoming very severe.
In that case, make a police complaint.
No, brother. His life will spoil. He's my student. This is my responsibility to take him as the right way. I must take the right decision.
Hey, stop. What happened? What are you doing? If seniors watched, I am wearing jib. They will remove my pant and they will shame me. Yeah, you are right. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Where is he gone? Anytime he'll be following me, right? Where is he gone?
Hi, Madhu. Who are you searching for?
Only you.
Earlier, Chandu used to search for Madhu, and nowadays, Madhu searching Chandu. That means.
Chandu, I want to talk to you.
Tell me.
First, you were the college topper. But this semester. No, Chandu, this is not right. Always, I want to see my students and successful. You want to become the same Chandu.
You are saying it as a lecturer or as a friend to me?
Which one is you like most?
Friend.
All right, Chandu. I'm like your friend.
Shall we go for a coffee? As a friend. So, both my mom and dad are software engineers. They are residing in Mumbai and I stay here at hostel. They both love me to the core. So this is what my profile is. This is my family.
Okay.
And yours?
Me and my brother. Brother is working. In my childhood, I lost my parents.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. In my house, we both are staying. For my brother, sister and friend, it's me.
Madhu. Can I come to your house when you're alone? No, only recording the subject. Max doubts.
Hi, Chandu.
Hi. Madhu,
Huh?
shall we go for dinner?
Sorry, I'm going with brother to see a movie.
Can I come with you?
No way. Exams are coming, right?
Okay, you guys enjoy.
How about your studies?
Yeah, it's going on.
Okay. Bye, Chandu. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Where do they stay?
They're staying in the hostel.
I'll take care. You wanna take my brother's pants off? I'll take your pants off.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Chandu, we will wait for you in canteen, huh?
Chandu, congrats and thank you very much.
But why?
You have listened my words and you did well. You are the topper one in the college. I'm so happy. Tell me, what do you want?
I need your love.
What?
Yes, I love you.
Chandu, I thought you have changed a lot, but your mindset is same as like that. I tried to change a lot, but I have lost. But I think you will not change anymore.
Why should I change? You should change. Because you're my love.
Please don't talk like a fool, Chandu.
What foolish thing I did?
There are difference between student and teacher.
We can go out for a coffee and we can have a dinner together. We can watch film. I have to think about you and you have to think about me. That's friendship, Madhu. But we people can't love each other. What's the point?
So you were acting me like a friend. Am I right? You will not change, Chandu.
No, Madhu. It's not a drama. It's love. And it's only with you.
I don't want to go in troubles making friendship with you. Please leave me. And don't follow me, okay? Leave me hereafter. Please.
Madhu.
You told I love you to your teacher. What a guts you have. You are really great. What a brave man you are.
What is there to feel brave in this?
My brother, this is the real guts. To express your love to your teacher need guts. You know, so many students are in love with their teacher, but nobody has the courage to tell them. All boys' first crush will be their teacher. You know, they just open their eyes and open their mouth. They used to see her top to bottom. But nobody will tell that I love you, teacher. But you did that. I can tell one thing confirmly. Your teacher will be a beautier than the beautiest girl in the world, right?
Shut up. She is my love.
But what I did? I just prized her, that's all. What is wrong with it? Okay, but tell me one thing. In your story, I have a small confusion.
Then what confusion?
You want me to tell about that? At first, you need a girl to love you. But now you have a teacher whom you love. If you are already in love with the teacher, why are you searching another girl to love? Tell me.
Let me tell the whole thing. Then you come to the conclusion.
To listen further and understand that, my throat is already getting dry. Give me 500.
I don't have.
What I saying? After listening to your story, my battery charge gone. To recharge it, I need 500. Please give me that.
Have it.
You are really good friend. Now I can listen interestingly. Brother, sweet is very nice. Do you want to taste it?
No need. I can't eat ugly as you.
Hey, well, I like this only. After having a peck, take a sweet. Then you can see how can you tell your story very romantically. You got it? Where you stopped it? That girl slapped you. After that, what happened? Tell me.
Madam, don't cry like this, please. Yes, madam. You have to take the decision.
Madhulata was very young. What decision that she can take? And also, just 2 days back, she has joined.
This problem is not only Madhulata's.
Yes.
This is for every one of us. The problem is
right.
of us lecturers.
You are right.
Yes, all the lecturers should have a meeting and take the right decision for that. It's really
Yes,
important.
yes. Why you people are thinking a lot? We just want to punish him.
Punishment means what kind of punishment? We will complain to the principal.
There's no point telling him. He'll ask him to say sorry to madam. And give him a warning and let him go. That's all.
These kind of students should be suspended from the college.
Not only in this college. He just don't want to join in other colleges also. And this will be the flash news in TVs also. By seeing this news, other students will fear. You are right. And this punishment will teach other students also. And we want to give like that punishment. So what will we do?
We will suspend him. He should not get admission from any colleges.
We will complain in police.
Along with police complaint, we will do something more. So that he should not get admission in any college during his lifetime.
Yeah. We should do like that. Then only they will know. Learn a lesson from this.
We will show lecturer's power to him.
First, we want to complain with our principal and we will go to the police station also. Come, let's go.
Go, come. Yeah,
Not
we'll go
going
now.
anywhere. Please sit down. Please. This is college prestige issue. Please don't inform the police. It's my personal problem. I will manage.
Great teacher. Bro, according to me, she's looking like a Mother Teresa. Very kindness and very polite. I am feeling a romance in your story right now. Hereafter, don't give a break. Continue the story.
I need your love. Yes, I love you.
Madhu, what happened? Why didn't you go to college? Why did you come
I
back?
didn't go there, brother. I tried a lot, but I can't forget that incident.
Madhu, what happened?
I thought Chandu have changed a lot, but he is not. In front of everyone, Chandu.
What did he do?
In front of everyone, he misbehaved me.
Tell me, what did he do?
Okay, just leave it, brother. It'll hurt you.
Madhu, tell me, what did he do? Why did you not tell me this before? Come on, let's go to the college.
No, brother, no. You please stay away from this.
Madhu, listen to me.
Brother, I can't do this lecture job. I'll search some other job.
Today I'm going to...
Please, brother, please.
Madhu isn't a job and she didn't come to college. My eyes, my soul, my heart was searching for Madhu. After that, I didn't see her again. It's already been 10 days. Since I can't see her, I was not on my control. On that day only I came to know that I can't live without Madhu. But I was totally fed up. After all these issues, I took a big decision.
Who are you?
Sir, I'm Chandu.
Oh, so you are Chandu. How did you come to my house, huh?
Sir.
Why did you come to my house?
Sir, please listen to me, sir. Sir,
You are misbehaving in the college? Huh?
Sir, please.
I will...
Sir.
Hey, keep your mouth
Sir,
shut.
listen to me once, sir. Please, sir.
Hey.
Please, sir.
What do you think of yourself, huh? Hey, I will not leave you. I'll tear it into pieces. Beware, beware. Okay?
Brother, I said please leave him.
Why are you coming in between?
You please go inside.
I will not leave you.
Please go inside, brother.
Madhu, I'm sorry. I didn't pull your saree intentionally. It's by mistake. Please think about it. What could I gain from the cheap trick? Please, try to understand.
Okay. Whatever happened, it happened. I will not come to the college.
I can't leave without seeing you, Madhu.
Whenever you are there, I will not come.
How it is possible? I can't even get what you are saying, Madhu. And how can I prove that my love is true? And why can't you love me?
Why don't you love me?
Love is not an object. Whenever you ask, I'll give. Your love is just an attraction.
It's not attraction, it's love. And for the past 1 year, I've been loving you truly. If I show the affection that I have towards you to another girl, she will definitely fall for me.
Impossible. If you follow her for 10 years also, she will not tell you okay. If she's not feeling the love in her heart, she will not say love you.
You will.
No.
If it happens,
Whatever you say, I'll do that.
you're okay with this deal?
I will not change.
2 days.
2 months when your holidays is finished. You try to win this challenge, Chandu. But one thing, that girl neither from here, nor your relative, not your friend also. And one more thing, that girl should not know about our challenge, okay?
Okay. If a girl fall for me one day, and the moment she says love you, then I'll marry you the very next minute.
All the best.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bro, stop it, stop it. This romance story is confusing me. After hearing the story, I'm very much confused. Okay, give me 10,000.
Why?
If you give that 10,000 to me means I will go to that girl's house where you went. I will go and taste her and come. You didn't touch her but gave her money. But I am not like that. I will have full fun. If you help me now means I will help you for your romance. I think now you got the logic, my bro. My bro, give me
wait a minute.
10,000.
Have it.
Oh, card.
Hello?
Chandu, where are you?
In temple.
Oh, you know the challenge, right? Did you get any girl?
I am searching.
Okay, search a lot. But I don't think you'll get a girl. Very soon you have to find a girl. Then only you can fulfill the challenge. And this is not an easy job to find a girl like that.
It's so. Then you give me idea.
If she's not beautiful also, you will like her. Just you will feel to see her. You will love to listen her voice each and every moment. Do you understand? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
My brother, she is not normal butter and jam. She is natural fruit. I will pay how much she want and I will taste her.
You bloody.
Why you bet me, man?
I want to love her truly.
Stop your blabbering, man. There is no real love. Girls are for entertainment.
You stop blabbering. I want to love her truly. Just shut up, okay?
Yes, my brother. Okay, my brother. But after seeing her external appearance, I think she too have the same character of that Rocky.
Hey, who is that Rocky?
Rocky, man. 10,000 rupees cash. God. She is very hot.
Hey.
Hey, that Rocky.
If it is so.
True or false, you just forget about that. First, we will get full detail of this girl, then we will follow her.
Who is going to tell us?
We will find some neighbors or relations of her.
What, son? What's the count now?
Now it's 1 out 1, Dad.
What?
I want even 7 more.
You want 7 more? Take all that.
No. If someone comes to know, it's problem.
You
hey, Dad.
won't
Hey,
listen.
No, Dad.
Oh my god, Shravani comes to know about this, then she will fight.
You keep your mouth shut. I'll take care of everything.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
If you do like this, I will tell the truth to everyone.
Nobody is going to ask you. Turn away. It is 108. My dear, you have completed 108. Let's get into the temple.
Hey, listen.
Don't ask me, I don't know anything.
Nobody is asking you anything.
Why are you getting tense?
Come on, he blabbers. Let's get in.
You wait. Brother, what happened?
You have done only 101, but dad is telling lies and telling you 108.
Oh God, please forgive my father. I'll do anything for my father. I'll come around the whole temple once again.
Oh, my
My
sweetheart,
God,
stay
again
here.
108. Your legs will feel the pain. Damn.
I told you before itself, but you didn't listen to me. You better sit and write the parikrama again.
Nonsense.
See, some old man is sitting there. We will go and ask him. Come. Sir?
Sir,
Greetings, sir.
good morning, sir.
n-
Sir, may I know who is she?
Who?
That sweet plum cake, sir.
Hey, why do you want to know all those things?
Sir, that blue sari girl who seems to be a great devotee. That's why asking.
Shravani.
Shravani.
I know her.
Can I get her details, sir?
Why?
Their match fixed, sir.
What? Cricket?
Oh my God, he don't know cricket. Match fixing means they both are getting married. To talk with that plum cake, hey, stop man. He want to get their parents' details so that we can fix the alliance, you know.
Not only about the lady. I also know their parents very well.
You're really a big man, sir.
She stopped her education with 10th standard, but the food she cooks is very delicious, and she respects elders also.
Not all those. I want to know the character.
Hey, stupid! What are you asking?
A character in the sense, nowadays girls seems to be traditional, but the truth is they are not so. They may act traditionally, but they can't live traditionally, sir. That is.
Bloody! Hey, bloody! Stand there!
Sir, beat him, sir, you
Now, beat him nicely, beat him nicely.
What are you doing? Sir,
Nicely, beat him.
Daddy, stop
He's
it.
asking about it.
Stop it, Daddy.
Sir,
Why are you beating him, Daddy?
You know what he asked about you?
Let him say anything he wants, Daddy. God will take care
He
of
told
that.
you are not a good girl.
Did he say like that about me? Then don't leave him.
Thank you.
Hit him hard. He needs this. Beat him up, Daddy. Like that, beat him up. He needs this. How dare he talks like this? Beat him up, Daddy. Give him one more. Nicely. One more, Daddy. Hit him hard.
At least 10 times in a day he'll call me. But today he didn't call me at once. What happened to him? Okay, I'll call him. Hello. Hi, Chandu.
hello, mommy.
What happened to you?
It's a big story. Myself and my friend went to temple to look for a girl. And we inquired about that girl. Unfortunately, I inquired the father of the girl. They bet me. It's actually terrible. It's a terror family and I can't.
How is the girl?
Good looking.
Do you like her?
I like her. But the reaction, it's too bad.
You have chosen the right person. And keep trying, okay?
No, I can't do anything.
Chandu, you cannot do that. You just make her to say I love you.
But she belongs to an action family.
You don't have anything to do with the family. You like the girl and she'll be really perfect match for you. There are many qualities in her. Shamli is perfect match for you.
But I think I'm not perfect, Madhu.
Then go with any other. So simple.
I think I'm not going to win in this game. I'm going to fail.
Miss Shravani? Miss Shravani?
Huh?
Miss Shravani. 1 minute. To ask apologize for your mistake, you came to this temple, right?
Okay, who are you?
I am the childhood friend of Mr. Chandu.
Who is this Chandu?
What? You forgot Chandu? That Chandu is going to die for you. But you forgot him. This is not right.
Oh, something wrong has happened. Oh God, please forgive me. But what mistake did I do here?
What is your mistake? In this temple, in front of this god, you and your family bet him dark and blue.
That Chandu, is it? He spoke wrongly, so we beat
For
him
that
up.
small mistake, why you all bet him?
For all that he spoke, we should have hit him harder.
Who are in your family to kill him? You have to leave some job to God. For death or to kill, he will look after that.
That's also true.
Is he a cricket ball? Why you smashed him sixer like Sachin Tendulkar? And also told your family to beat him. And your father, he kicked him like a football, you know. Now his heart has broken. What he will do?
Huh? Is he dead?
He may die today or tomorrow.
Oh, which hospital is he in?
He is in my room.
You didn't take him to a hospital, is it?
I took him, but the doctor said there is no use of giving a patch to a punctured tire and no use of changing the tubes too.
Oh God, please forgive me for my mistake. I did it without knowing. I want to meet Chandu. Will you take me with you?
I came here for that only. Okay, come, let's move.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Chandu, are you sleeping? Chandu, Miss Shravani has come. Chandu!
Is he dead?
Chandu, hey, get up, open your eyes, Chandu. Shravani ma'am. Chandu, I think he is died. He is not getting up. You tried to call him. He got beatings only for you. I think he will get up after listening to your voice. Please call him once.
Chandu? Chandu sir? Chandu sir?
Chandu? Really, there is a magic in your voice. Brother, I can't see you like this. Please give me 500. I will go and drink and come. That means drugs for medicine for him. Give me. You want me to stand here in between both of you? Miss Shravani will be here till I bring the medicine. Am I right, Miss Shravani? Give me.
Please come soon, okay?
Sure, ma'am.
Sit. Please take your seat. When you are standing like this, I feel really bad. Please take your seat.
My father beat you because you spoke wrongly about me.
I really don't know that he is your dad.
Okay, why are you coming behind me?
You seem to be really beautiful and I fall for you on the first sight. That's why.
Look here, Chandu sir. I don't know anything about this love.
I will explain you. No one in this world knows that when they are going to fall in love. But when they fall in love, their activities will change. And they used to say lie to their parents to see their boyfriend. It should be the regular activity. You should have to lie, bunk the college and go to cinema. You have to go to pub, park and so on.
All these won't happen. My dad will beat me up if he comes to know I'm doing all these things. Listen, your friend has not yet come back. I want to go back home.
Shravani, when can I expect you?
I'm not going to come back again. You're anyway going to die, isn't it?
When you visit me again, my life will go on.
If you're going to be alive, I'll definitely come back.
When?
Same time tomorrow. Okay, I'll leave now.
Shravani, please don't tell your parents about this, okay?
Why, sir?
Don't you remember that incident that happened in temple? You want them to do the same?
That's also correct. I won't tell them. I'm leaving now.
I will be expecting you always. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah!
Shravani, where were you?
What you did was not right, brother.
What did I do?
You have beaten up an innocent man.
Whole day he was at home only. He didn't go anywhere.
Yes, sister, we were in the house itself.
Not today. Yesterday, in the temple.
Actually, I didn't hit him alone. The whole family were hitting him together. Actually, we should have finished him off.
He's in his deathbed now. He may die in a day or two.
How did he know this?
What is new about it? Has anybody survived after you have beaten them up? Listen, brother, you have to stop all these violent activities. Look here, Daddy. Tell brother not to get involved in all these things. What if something terrible happens? Please advise him to reduce his anger, Daddy.
Actually, what did I ask you? And you're telling about something else?
What, my son? What are you talking? She either goes to temple or quietly stays at home. We all know about her very well, no? She understands. Go.
Darling,
Uh,
you're pampering Shravani nowadays a lot.
only for a few more days. After that, she will get married and leave us, you know. Am I right?
Hello?
Madhulata, teacher. I think I'm leading the challenge and I'm going to win.
My dear student, that time hasn't come yet.
Just wait for a single day and you will change your statement. My dear student, you are my lover and you will definitely say this.
You just leave this and tell me what's happening
Do you
there.
remember the temple girl?
A Action family accepted.
You please leave the topic about the action family. But Shravani will definitely fall for me.
Yesterday she were beaten you and today she said okay.
Love is just a mind game, madam. You just wait and watch the game.
Cheating.
Everything is fair in love and war. Don't you know that? And in my case, it's not cheating. It might be a new trend.
Did you started liking her?
My love is only with you. And in order to get you, I use Shravani as my true love. And I'm just waiting for the word, I love you from Shravani. And after that, you have to say me, I love you. Just get mentally prepared for it.
Chandu, you must tell her the truth.
I think you forgot something, Madhu. Just do remember the terms and condition.
That girl neither from here, nor your relative, not your friend also. And one more thing, that girl should not know about our challenge.
Madhu, you didn't mention anything about cheating in your contract. So, say all the best to me.
No, I can't say.
You either say it to me or you can ignore it to me. It's not an issue, Madhu. Okay, bye.
Bye. I think this girl is very innocent.
Krishna, I have made a big mistake. Forgive me, please. I'll fast for one full day and do all the necessary pujas. Nothing should happen to Chandu, Krishna. You have to somehow save him. Nothing should happen to him. He should recover fast. You should only help him. Nothing should happen to that boy. You should only protect him. Nothing should happen to him. You should only save him.
Please, God, save that boy. Please, God.
Please, God, save that boy.
Please, God,
Please,
save
God,
that
save
boy.
that boy.
Please
God,
protect
save
him.
that boy.
Please save him.
That boy.
Nothing should happen to him.
Okay, man. I will book from mail, okay? But you have to prepare with wine and my sweets, okay? Okay, bye. Hey, Govind. How are you, man?
Yeah,
you
fine.
didn't go to college?
Today leave, no?
Leave for students. But you are the peon there.
If there is no students, then why peon, huh?
It was a nice reply. I heard that you're roaming around and telling news to everyone. Tell me some news too.
What type of news will you hear? Cinema news, social news, crime news, culture
This
news.
much of variation you have. Okay, tell me political news.
Political news means
Yes.
sitting person is king or else he is a thief.
I didn't get you.
That means from MP to CM. If they lost chair, they go to jail.
Oh. Tell me another news.
You want another news? Okay, social news. Some days ago, cement rate was very high. So the people mixed sand. But today, sand rate was also very high.
Govind bro, all this news has no
Oh.
spice. It should be like this. Sunny Leon declared that she won't act in porn films. After hearing that news, one old man died. Understand? Hanging death has given to a bicycle thief. A judge gave judgment, sent terrorist Kasab to Pakistan. Our innocent people will also believe all these news are true. A donkey fallen into a well. To lift that, they used 2 elephants. Why they constructed a bridge on a river?
What?
Our minister is on hunger strike to ask about this.
Hunger strike?
One television series crossed 1 lakh episodes.
Oh.
The value of a buffalo increased 10,000 rupees to 2 crore rupees. This is spicy news. Now I told you lot of hot newses. Give me 500 rupees.
Why 500?
Do you think these news are complimentary? Give me.
Are you serious, bro?
I am very serious. Take me from your pocket. Yeah. I'm bad. Who is bad?
What is this? I used to collect money from all of them, but he collected from me.
Hey brother, when I was studying my inter-college, there was a classy lecturer was there. I will tell her a story. Listen.
Why has Chandu not yet come? Is he already dead? Oh God. I was doing puja for you the whole night yesterday. Didn't you hear me at all?
Hi, Shravani.
You've come, is it? I thought you won't come and got so worried, you know.
I'm already counting my days. And in this case...
No, don't say like that.
No, Shravani. It's all about fate and we can't change anything.
I don't know.
Shravani, please fulfill my last wish and accept my love, Shravani. And if you don't,
What should I do?
tell I love you.
No. If my dad comes to know, he will really beat me up.
Why do you fear? If we both love each other and when we get married, one day or other, your family is going to know about our marriage. Who knows? Things may change. Either I can live or I can die. But now, I want you to say I love you. Please tell me.
There won't be any problem because of this, right?
Nothing will happen.
No, I won't be able to say that.
Why?
If I say I love you and if your heart stops beating, I won't be able to take it. I can't do this, sir. Okay, I'm leaving.
Shravani! Shravani! When can I expect you?
Same place tomorrow. If you're alive, I will certainly come.
Madhu, please stop laughing. Madhu, I said stop it. Madhu, can't you stop laughing? Stop it, Madhu.
Okay. Chandu, you found a very innocent girl. I don't think Shravani will say okay to you anymore. I'm damn sure about it. Not only Shravani, no girl will say I love you to
Why
you.
do you think so?
Because you don't know what is the real love. You don't know how to express the love and you don't know how to propose the love. Just stay out of this and please concentrate in your studies.
Madhu, I can't accept my failure. Can you please cut your bloody call?
It'll be nice if Dad is not going to be at home. What'll I say if he asks me where I'm coming from? I escaped yesterday. I don't want to lie to Daddy. God, please save me.
Shravani. Where had you been to?
Where will I go, Daddy?
Shravani. I'm asking you pretty seriously. Where did you go?
I went to the temple only, Daddy. Nowhere else.
I also went to temple.
So what? I may have been on one side, you may have been on the other side. It happens many times, no, Daddy? You may have searched, I would have left by then. Why are you getting angry for something so silly? You have been scolding me in the recent days, Daddy. In the recent times, I'm getting very scared of you, Daddy. Why are you scolding me unnecessarily,
no,
Daddy?
Actually, it's not
I'm
about
getting
doubting
scared.
you. We really worried about you. That's why we are asking. This is parents' responsibility.
But Dad has never scolded me like this before.
You told us last time that you won't go anywhere outside.
Hey, say nothing. Oh. Why are you so angry on me, my child? And what you said is right. I could have been on one side, you could have been on the other side. Yes, correct. I didn't think about this. Anyhow, I will never get angry on you anymore. Do you understand? And what are you looking at standing here? Take her in and give her something to eat.
But Daddy, I'm fasting today.
Weekly 4 days of fasting is not good for your health. Okay.
Come,
go.
dear.
Krishna, you're scaring me every day. You made me bluff to Daddy today unnecessarily.
I will tell you what to do. Tell lie to the parents. Bunk your classes. Then go and sit in theaters. Then roam around. Then go to the pub. Going to the park. That's all.
Are these things true? Is this what is called love? Then should I love Chandu?
You know, brother, that Shravan is really innocent. I can't believe in this generation also this kind of girls are living. I'm really shocked to listen about Shravani. Chandu is very, very upset because of Shravani. Shravani is really innocent. That's why Chandu easily fooled her. In front of Shravani, he's making lot of drama. But Chandu is a good student. Personality, very fair, but he doesn't know how to approach.
What is it, Madhu? Nowadays, I'm noticing that you're talking a lot about Chandu.
Nothing like that, brother. Just for fun.
Okay. In any case, you have left the college, so you have to search for a new job.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Have this. One more.
Enough. Thank you. Why brother said like that? Do I am thinking a lot about Chandu? I think each and every time I'm talking about Chandu. I think whatever brother said, it's gonna be true. But why?
It is so because you fell in love with me.
No, this is not love.
Madhu, why can't you accept your love and you are trying to hide that from me?
Chandu, I cannot love you.
Why is it so?
I'm a lecturer, you are my student.
Oh, okay. Then you resign your lecturer job and search for another job. Your problems will be solved. Where is Shravani? It's a new feeling. It looks weird, but not so bad. Madhu is something different. And Shravani, she is innocent. Madhu, intelligent girl. And Shravani, village girl. Madhu, city girl. Why the hell I should compare Madhu with that Shravani? My Madhu is always great. She is a beautiful angel. And now the wait is over. Only two options. One, Shravani has to come here and she has to say I love you, or else I have to leave. No, she is not going to come. Chandu, it's time. You have to leave now. You should have to wait, man. When you want to taste the success, you should have to tolerate all this nonsense. Yes. I'll wait just for a moment. No, I should have to leave.
Madam? I called Madam, but she's going.
Shravani, do you know how long I'm waiting for you?
It's very difficult to step out of the house without Daddy's knowledge. I have never done all these things before. I think I'm going to be in trouble.
It's not a problem, Shravani.
Why are you going to inform my dad?
What? Your father? Is he following you? Shravani, I can't face another action.
I'm not able to understand.
I'm saying that I'm perfectly alright.
Really?
Yes, Shravani. I went for a medical checkup and doctor confirmed it that I'm perfectly alright. I think it's a magic.
See? All these things happen because of my God Krishna.
What did he do to me?
You just now told me that you're alright, isn't it? My Lord Krishna is the only reason behind it. I'm doing puja for Krishna, right? He will not let down anybody who trusts him and do puja every day.
Okay, Shravani. It's confirmed that I'm perfectly alright now. I want you to say I love you.
I can't do this. You have to know what's in my mind, right? How can I say everything? I'm feeling shy. I'm not able to say all these things. Please understand. You come and talk to my daddy first. I'll tell you these words when we get married.
After our marriage? Then what about your father?
According to me, not keeping the parents informed about anything and bluffing to them is not right.
No, Shravani. I can't speak to your dad right now.
If you can't come and talk to my father, are you telling me that you will leave me and go? My dad is not such a bad person. Come to my house on an auspicious day and talk to my father. If my parents agree, we'll get married. What happened? After I spoke so much about our marriage, I thought you will definitely do something. But you are not doing anything nor saying anything. Why are you just staring at me like this?
What did you think? Oh my God. I expected you to be innocent, but you are too fast.
What is there to go so fast in this? Cable connection only, right? There are 250 channels in that, and each channel will show 5 movies. Every movie will have love and romance. All movies are the same dialogues. In spite of saying all these things, you're just looking at me.
Why, Shravani? I can't even imagine about your dad.
I have become very bold after meeting you only. I have no problem. I don't even know since when I'm here. I have come out of the house long back. I have to go now.
Oh my God, what I'm going to do now?
Daddy? Daddy? I've been searching for you since morning. Where were you?
My dear child, I should have asked you all these questions. You are asking me all this?
Daddy?
Listen to me. I have only been living for my family and for my children. And that is my only world. I always believed that my daughter will never ever do anything without informing me. But now, I have started doubting my decision.
Don't talk like this, Daddy. It makes me feel very bad.
Where did you go, child?
I'm very afraid, Daddy.
Why are you afraid? Did you commit any mistake?
I didn't do any mistake.
Then why did you scared? Tell the truth.
Daddy, I went to meet that Chandu.
Why did you go?
Do you know what Chandu said, Daddy?
What would he say?
I can't say that, Daddy.
How dare you didn't inform to us and you went to see him? I'm going to slap for you this. Tell me.
No. Stay calm. I'll ask. Now tell me, what is the issue?
Chandu is in love with me, Daddy. I realized that I also like Chandu today only, Daddy. I asked him to talk to you. If you agree, then he'll come and marry me, Daddy.
Shravani, you are still young. You don't know what love is. He is not a good guy.
Not like that, Daddy. Chandu is really a good man. He loves me so much.
Shut up. Jagan,
Tell me, Dad.
call Ram Brahma.
Okay, Dad.
Good morning, Shankar Rao, sir.
Welcome. Sit down.
Thank you, sir. I think you have called me for your daughter's marriage, right, sir?
When a lady is ready for marriage, how will we talk about fixing a marriage
What?
for a man?
This time you were talking absolutely in other way, I think so. Last month I given a marriage proposal for your daughter, but you said she is very young and she is not fit for marriage now.
Okay, you start. Get a good match for my daughter.
Why do we want to search, sir? Ramchandrapur family is fit for your family. You just say okay, marriage will be over and everything will be fine.
Shh, keep quiet.
Then what do you want, sir?
Okay. Ask them to come here on auspicious day.
Why do we want to search for good days? Tomorrow is very good day. I will call them and inform them. They will come here by tomorrow. Are you happy? Huh?
Chandu, what happened, man? Why are you packing your bag?
I'm leaving, Dad.
What happened to you?
Shravani is not going to say I love you.
Shravani is not there means Rita, Julie, Mary, so many girls are there. Why are you getting tensed? We will try some other girls,
Can you
man.
stop this? I can't listen to all these stories.
If you stopped this in the middle means from where I will get new investor? You are really a true friend, man. Hey, brother, if you find any new problem in your life means please remember me. I will come like a Superman.
If you're going to be alive, I'll definitely come, sir. Are you telling me that you're not able to understand whatever is in my mind, sir? Krishna, please forgive me. I know it's wrong to step out of the house, but what can I do now? Daddy is not understanding me. He wants to get me married to someone else. I don't know who he is, but Chandu is a very nice guy. How can he live without me? It's wrong to cheat him and marry someone else. Chandu and I will run away from the house, get married and come back here. Once we get married, there won't be any problem, right? Okay, Krishna, let me leave now. You only should make these people understand. Chandu?
Hi, my sweet pumpkin. I have lot of liquor and lot of sweets. I just missed a girl like you. I was thinking about that. You just arrived. What a timing, baby.
Where is Chandu, brother?
Chandu. He went long back. Come here, my plum cake. I will eat you very smoothly. Think me like Chandu for some time.
Why are you doing like this? It's not right. You're not supposed to behave like this with me. It's a bad thing.
Bad thing? What bad thing? It will become bad only if you love Chandu. It will be bad only if we love others' lover. But now you are single, I can mingle. You are like an open bureau. I can loot anything.
That means Chandu didn't love me, is it?
Chandu's love is really a drama. He played that with you to win his challenge with teacher.
Teacher?
So that he's not loving you means I can do anything with you. So please adjust with me. Hey, I can show you. Hey, no. Listen to me. Hey. Oh, my bad luck. She went before I'm tasting her.
Chandu, when did you come here?
Just now.
And what about Shravani?
Actually, Madhu, it's a problem.
What happened?
It was my mistake that I challenged you. But I feel for it now.
Tell me what happened, Chandu.
I never expected that she will love me. And her love is true. But I think I don't feel the same towards her. And I don't want to create problem to her. And that's why I'm leaving now without saying to her.
Why you didn't tell her? She's very sensitive.
Even I too know that, Madhu. I should have informed Shravani about this.
Okay, first you call her and talk to her.
It's call from Shravani's house. Why they are calling me?
I think it's Shravani. You talk to her. What happened, Chandu?
It was Shravani's dad who called me. It seems Shravani tried to attempt suicide. It's all because of me. And she is in the hospital now.
How is she now?
Condition critical.
Leave him. Go and see.
Shravani. Please forgive me, Shravani. It's all my mistake. I didn't expect you that you love me madly. I feel very bad and ashamed. I will never leave you. I'll never leave you. Shravani, please open your eyes. Shravani, I love you, Shravani. I love you, Shravani. I love you.
Who's the teacher?
I'm the teacher. Chandu just has attraction on me. And to you, love.
Hello, teacher. Madhurata teacher. I love you, teacher.